Sante's Pure Organic Barley, certified organic by BioGrow from New Zealand, is nature's way to boost the body's immune system to fight off harmful infections. Each glass is high in vitamins, minerals, chlorophyll, carotenoids, and it's gluten-free to offer all the defense your body needs to fight off the COVID-19 disease. Proper hand washing is also key in eliminating potential contamination from the virus, but a strong immune system is still the best line of defense against potential infections. So enjoy a glass of Sante's Pure Organic Barley with stevia to boost your immune system and protect yourself from COVID-19.